aquí. Está en la Bastida, pero no escucha. ¡Cago en Dios! No sé qué cojones, ya no tengo ni puta idea. Calor. Pam, 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 pam. I epalagunok ongi etorri goizeko zuzeneko honetara eta ongi etorri Starship Troopers Terran Command honetara eta badirudi gaur jokoaren azken misioa heldu dela eta ea zer moduz moldatzen dute zure ikain handia misio horietako bat lan beraz aurrera goaz.
Let's finish the job. With arachnid corpses littering the burning sands, it's finally time to stamp out the bug infestation on Kwalasha. Federation troops surround the last remnant of hostile territory and begin their march towards victory. To end the war over the planet, only one question remains. Where is the brain bug?
Bai, guazen borrok gara.
Our war Okay, you apes. Listen up. I can't say when this war with the bugs will end. That's up to Terran Command. But the war on Kwalasha, it ends today, and it's up to us. This is the final showdown. 5th Division is providing support. They've got penal battalions mixed in with them. So we'll have to put up with those criminals and deserters on our flank while we push uphill. Intel says the brain bug is holed up in a cave system on top of the mountain. Drive up on the right and pry that son of a bitch out into daylight. Capture it alive. Kill every other bug on this hill. You get me!
Alert. Bug attack. Sensors are picking up new bug hive activity.
The fleet is bringing in more supplies as fast as they can.
We've got a unit under attack. We've got a unit under attack. Sir, additional supplies are now available.
Supplies have been delivered. More are coming soon.
Sir, additional supplies are now available.
Yes, sir. Get those launchers moving.
Alert. Bug attack inbound.
Look alive. Come on, you eight.
Sir?
A unit is being promoted, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, additional supplies are now available.
All supply depots have been filled up.
Rockets, we're up. Do it. Squad moving out. Come on. Fighters out. Come on. Come on. Do it.
Alert. Bug attack inbound. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
On me!
Sir, roger that. Affirmative.
We cannot deploy to that location. We cannot deploy to that location. A unit has been promoted, sir.
Rockets, we're up!
A unit has been promoted, sir. Alert. Bug attack inbound. We've got a unit under attack. We've got a unit under attack. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Sir, affirmative! We got affirmative!
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Sir,
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
sir,
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. Alert. Bug attack inbound.
get ready!
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Sir! Yes, sir!
We've got a unit under attack.
Listen up! Roger that. Affirmative! Let 'em have it! Yes, sir! Take 'em down! Ready to go. Payload! Rocket troopers, move up! Target locked.
Gorro 262.
Roger that! Let's go! Killer! Roger that! Let's go! Affirmative! This way! Fire! Yes, sir! Roger that! Affirmative! Killer! Sir! Fire and move!
Alert. Bug attack inbound.
Fire!
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Sir.
Roger that.
Sir, roger that.
Dropships engaged. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Sir, affirmative.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Sir,
Get ready.
affirmative. Move out. Check your lines of fire.
We've got a unit under attack.
Fire and weapon.
Alert. Bug attack inbound.
Move out. Check your lines of fire.
Puedes echar todo, joder.
Rocket. Move out. Check your lines of fire.
Dropships engaged elsewhere. We've got a unit under attack.
Get ready.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Sir, come on.
Aguanta.
Affirmative. Squad,
Go back
ready
there.
up. Fire.
Sir, yes, sir.
Squad, ready.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Our war support. Once we've broken through the outer ring of hives, we will push north across the river and establish a new base in the abandoned outpost.
We ain't dying. Squad, ready.
Get ready. Affirmative.
Sir,
We've got a unit under attack. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
infantry, standing by.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Awaiting Roger orders. That. Squad, ready for orders. Sir, awaiting orders. Look alive, Roger troopers. The sharp troopers. Let's go.
Alert. Bug attack inbound.
Sir, moving to position.
Ready? Yes, sir.
We've got a unit under attack. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Awaiting orders.
We've got a unit under attack.
We ain't dying. We ain't trying.
Get ready.
I don't care if it's heavy. Squad, yes, sir.
We've got a unit under attack.
Squad, ready. Roger that. Sir, affirmative. Drill out!
Affirmative.
Sir, this way.
Reading you. 5 by 5.
Standing by. We ain't dying. We ain't trying.
Roger that.
Sir.
This way.
Comms here.
Yes, sir. 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 Awaiting orders. Sir.
Get ready.
Roger that.
Squad, ready for orders. Yes, sir. Sir.
Alert. Bug attack inbound. We don't have enough supply capacity, sir.
Sir. Kill him! Listen up. Let's go. Everybody. Shot troopers. Wait a minute. Shot troopers. We ain't dying. We ain't trying. Ready to fly. Roger that. Move out. Check your line of sight. Yes, sir. Roger that.
Roger that.
Troopers, listen up. Sir.
Our war support has increased, sir.
Yes,
A
sir.
unit has been promoted, sir.
Sir.
Affirmative. Yes, sir.
Reading you. 5 by 5.
Standing by. Affirmative. Squad, ready.
Sir.
A unit has been promoted, sir.
Squad, ready for orders. Squad, ready.
Get ready.
Dropships engaged elsewhere,
Sir.
sir.
Roger that. Trooper, with me. Yes, sir.
Get ready.
Rockets, roger that.
A unit has been promoted, sir.
Moving to position.
Rockets.
A unit has been promoted, sir.
Sir. Target locked. Rocket team on the move. Yes, sir. Firing will. Weapon in time.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Squad, ready for orders.
Sembra tropa contro il war.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Rocket team up. Affirmative. Blast them! We got the payload is forward, troopers! Sir, firing! Listen up! Squad ready, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, roger that.
We've got a
Engineers here.
unit under attack.
Affirmative.
Sir, move up! Firing! 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 Yes, sir. Move up!
Frate
Yes, sir.
NASCAR.
Affirmative. Yes, sir. Move up! Yes, sir.
Aquí me ha sido jugando.
Sir?
Our war support has increased, sir.
Squad ready. What's your charge? In there! Sir. Look alive, squad. Sir. Look alive, squad. But stay close. Roger that.
Dropships engaged elsewhere,
Squad, yes,
sir.
sir.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Sir.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir. Sir. Look alive, squad.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. We've advanced to the next battle tier, sir.
Sir. Squad ready, sir. Roger that. Look alive, squad. Squad, move up.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Sir. Roger that. Yes, sir.
kontuz.
Affirmative. Yes, sir. With me.
Oh, it's Roger that. Figure.
Listen up. On the move.
Joateko.
Sir, affirmative. Ready to fire. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Comms base is
stash your
operational,
tools
sir.
and engineers follow me.
Sir, affirmative.
Ready to go. Affirmative. Sir.
Ready to Squad, move up. Sir.
Move up, but stay close.
Roger that.
A ver.
Move up, but stay close.
Tell us what to do.
The brain bug is in the open. Man, that thing is ugly.
You realize this reeks of a trap?
Noski.
When it comes to the bugs, Colonel, everything reeks. But we're going to be ready for them.
Sir. Affirmative.
Ready to go. Yes, sir.
A ver.
Sir. I don't care if it's Squad ready. Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Sir, affirmative. Ready to fire.
your orders? Roger that.
Sir.
Move up, but stay close.
Affirmative. Yes, sir. Affirmative. Squad ready, sir. Yes, sir.
Fleet, standing to position.
Sir. Affirmative.
Chorra.
Engineers reporting. Look alive,
Squad, move up.
Here they come. Bugs bursting out of the ground.
I see this ambush as a positive sign. The brain bug is willing to risk exposing itself in that fashion. The bug situation must be desperate.
Squad ready, sir. Sir. Affirmative.
Flanking divisions getting overwhelmed. 5th Division, come in. What's the situation?
We're getting chopped up pretty bad here, Colonel.
Watch your charge.
Roger that. Do you need support?
You know how this works. Every bug on us is one less standing in your way. Get up that hill and finish the job.
What's your name, officer?
Officers are all dead. We're all that's left. We'll hold them as long as you need. Over and out.
Roger that. Open fire! Squad, follow me! Yes, sir. Squad, open fire!
The brain bug has been detected to the north. This time, there can be no escape.
Okay, surround the area. Then get in there and finish this.
Follow me!
Remember, the brain bug must be captured alive and unharmed. The scientists will be glad to have a fresh specimen. But their investigative methods can be quite robust.
Look alive, squad.
Look alive, squad!
Sensors are picking up new bug hive activity.
Move up, but stay permanent. Yes, sir. Firing! Firing! Move up, but stay close. Firing!
Open fire! Affirmative! Squad, follow me! Yes, sir. Roger that. Squad, open fire!
Shot! And then... Squad, move up! Yes, sir. Look alive, squad.
VetNet is broadcasting the final assault. They'd like some footage of the Honor Guard marauders on the battlefield.
Aren't they just for parades and ceremonies?
While these carry thinner armor than the production marauders, the Honor Guard pilots are the cream of the crop. But they do mostly just look good on film.
If they think it's going to help, then we'll see what we can do. But it can't get in the way of winning this fight.
Yes, sir. Affirmative. Roger that. Move up, but stay close. Firing!
Sir.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Oh, it's about to get real.
Your orders? Roger that.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. We've got a unit under attack.
Sir. Yes, sir. Get ready. Sir, moving to position. Sir. Affirmative.
We don't have enough supply capacity, sir.
Sir, rocket team, on me!
Get ready.
Move it or lose it, people. Get to that position. Take them down. After that. Get to that position. Let them have it. Move it or lose it, people. Take them down.
Wavebreaker turrets are being sent down to secure the area we've taken. Secure the other Wavebreaker deployment locations, and we can make this sector bug-proof.
Get ready.
Affirmative.
We've got a unit under attack. A unit has been promoted, sir.
Roger that. Plug them away.
Sir, intel reports a new battlefield.
Roger that. Yes, sir. Sir, roger that. Yes, sir. Affirmative.
A unit has been promoted, sir.
Affirmative.
Sir, yes, sir.
Sir, roger that.
We got the payload.
Get ready. Moving to position.
We got
yes,
the
sir. Moving to position.
A unit has been promoted, sir.
Sir. Get ready.
Sir, go, fleet. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
A unit has been promoted, sir.
Fleet standing by. Your
Yes,
orders?
sir.
Sir, affirmative.
Fleet
Get to
standing
that
by.
position.
Get ready.
A unit has been promoted, sir.
Moving to position.
A unit has been promoted, sir.
Chew on this. Blow them away.
Venga, guarrura. Venga.
Yes, sir.
Our core support has sensors are picking up new bug threat activity. Sir, intel reports a new bug threat in our sector.
Rocket team up.
it's heading. Move out! Get ready!
Roger that.
Sir, additional supplies are now available.
Yes, sir. Order acknowledged. Yes, sir. Affirmative.
Affirmative. Sir. Rocket team up.
Dropship. We've got a unit under attack.
Look alive,
Yes, sir.
squad!
Follow me. Yes, sir.
Go bright!
Alert. Bug attack inbound.
Roger that. Follow me. Affirmative. Follow me. Affirmative. Yes, sir. Roger that.
Sir! Look
Follow
alive,
me.
squad!
Affirmative. Follow me.
Sir!
Yes, sir.
Sir, arachnids are disrupting one of our bases.
Fleet is ready. Sir.
Sir, arachnids are disrupting one of our bases.
Sir.
Yes, sir! Roger that!
Alert. We've lost contact with a comms base.
Yes, sir! Affirmative! Yes, sir!
We've got a unit under attack.
Look alive, squad!
Roger that. Affirmative. Roger that.
We've got a unit under attack.
Yes, sir. Follow me.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Sir! Yes, sir! Affirmative!
We've got a unit under attack.
Sir.
Watch your charge! In there!
Alert. Bug attack inbound.
Squad, move up! Affirmative! Squad, move
We've
up!
got a unit under attack. We've got a unit under attack.
Standing by. Roger that. On the move.
We've got a
With
unit
me.
under attack.
Power affirmative. Yes, sir. Squad, move up.
We've
Yes,
got
sir.
a unit under
Roger
attack.
that. Affirmative. Yes, sir. Live and
Yes, sir.
electrified. Sir.
Roger that.
Alert. Bug attack inbound. Dropships engaged elsewhere. We've got a unit under attack.
Sir. Yes, sir. Ready to fight.
Sir. Infantry, standing by. Yes, sir.
Roger that. Affirmative. Blast them! Get those launchers moving.
Alert. Bug attack
Sir?
inbound.
Affirmative. Yes, sir. Roger that.
Troopers, listen
Move
up.
up, but stay close. Roger that. Firing. Yes, sir. Roger that. Firing. Yes, sir. Affirmative. Chop those bugs.
Weapons up. Roger that.
We've got a unit under attack.
Ella va bien.
We've got a unit under attack. Alert. Bug attack inbound.
Squad ready. Sir.
Go right.
Standing by.
Affirmative. I don't care if it's head. Roger that.
Squad ready. Roger that. Yes, sir. Affirmative.
Sir, I don't care if it's head. Yes, sir. Roger that. Affirmative. Yes, sir. Roger that. Yes, sir. Weapons hot. Weapons hot. Affirmative.
Sir. Move up, but stay close.
We've got a unit under attack. We've got a unit under attack.
Sir. Come on, you apes.
Comm
Sir.
space, additional
Squad ready,
supplies
sir.
are now available.
Affirmative.
Alert. Bug attack inbound. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Troopers standing by. Squad moving out. Roger that.
Sir.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Look alive, troopers.
Sir. Yes, sir.
We've got a unit under attack.
Sir. Affirmative. Order.
We've got a unit under attack.
Roger that.
We've got a unit under attack.
Yes, sir.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. Dropships engaged
Plane is
elsewhere,
ready.
sir.
Look alive, squad. Sir.
Alert. Bug attack. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Infantry standing by.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Joder.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. We've advanced to the next battle, sir.
Sir, roger that.
Se han matado.
Alert. Bug attack inbound. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Awaiting orders. Roger that.
A ver,
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. We've got a unit under attack. A dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
venga ya.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. Alert. Bug attack inbound.
Sir. Yes, sir.
A unit has been promoted, sir.
Affirmative.
Standing by.
Venga ya, joder.
Dropships
Dame presa, tío.
Sir, Arachnids are disrupting one of our bases. We've got a unit under attack. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. Sir, we've got a unit under attack. Insufficient war support to fulfill this request, sir.
Venga ya. Dame presa, tío.
Alert. Bug attack inbound. We've lost contact with a comms base. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. Dropships engaged. Dropships engaged elsewhere. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Me muero Agustina, mañera.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. We've got a unit under attack. Alert. Bug attack inbound.
Stash your tools and move out.
Sembator de Torribardira, joder.
Sir?
Roger that.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. We've got a unit under attack. We've got a unit under attack.
Your orders?
Alert. Bug attack inbound.
Semba de Torribardira, joder.
Lose it, people. Take us down.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Sir, affirmative. Roger that.
Estamos benditos todos.
I don't care if it's heavy. Move out. Roger that. I don't care if it's heavy. Move out. Affirmative. Weapons up. I don't care if it's heavy. Move out. Yes, sir. Weapons up.
¡Venga, joder!
Alert. Bug attack.
Ready to go.
Yes, sir. Ready to fight.
Sir, additional supplies are now available. Dropships engaged elsewhere,
Oh,
sir.
it's about to get real.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Ready to go.
Sir, dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
¡Cago en su puta madre!
We've got a unit under attack. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. We've got a unit under attack. Alert. Bug attack inbound. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Sir, yes, sir. Roger that.
We've got a unit under attack. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Engineers, now hear this.
Alert. Bug attack inbound. A unit has been promoted, sir. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. We've got a unit under attack. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. Alert. Bug attack in. A unit is being promoted, sir. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. We've got a unit under attack. We've got a unit under attack. Dropships engaged elsewhere. We've got a unit under attack.
Rockets, we're up. On me.
Agua en San Cristóbal y su puta madre.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. We've got a unit under attack. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Yes, sir. Follow me. Yes, sir.
Alert. Bug attack. Dropships engaged elsewhere. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Roger that. Live and electromagnetic.
We've got a unit under attack. Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Roger that.
Drop alert. Bug attack inbound.
Sir?
A unit incremented, sir.
Marauder, ready for orders. Executing orders. Over and out.
Our war support has sensors are picking up new bug hive activity. We've got a unit under attack.
Moving in. Powering up. Marauder, ready for orders. Executing
Alert.
orders.
Bug
Over and
attack.
out.
We've got a unit under attack.
Roger that.
Power up. Yes, sir.
Ready to go. Roger that. Orders?
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Engineers here.
We've got a unit under attack.
Orders? Oh, it's moving and losing, people.
Sir, follow me.
We've
A
got a
ver.
unit under attack.
Rihanna.
Dropships engaged elsewhere, sir.
Powering up. Roger that. Sir?
We've got a unit under attack.
Sir? Roger that.
We've got a unit under attack. A unit has been promoted, sir. Alert. Bug attack inbound.
Live and electrified. Yes, affirmative.
Executing orders. Over and out.
Yes, sir.
We don't have enough supply capacity, sir.
Sir.
Powering up.
Moving out. Commander, ready for orders. Engaging target.
Alert. Bug attack inbound.
Powering up. Roger that. Acknowledged.
Squad affirmative.
A unit is being promoted, sir.
Live and electrified. Sir.
Roger that.
Sir. Roger that. Yes, sir. Live and electrified. Follow me. Power up. Yes, sir.
We've got a unit under attack. Our war support has increased, sir.
Water reporting. Moving out.
We've got a unit under attack.
Powering up.
Oh, it's about to get real. Yes, sir.
Ready for orders. Water reporting.
Yes. Acknowledged. Roger that.
M11 Honor Guard deployed.
Thank you. It does make for quite a sight, doesn't it?
Yes.
We've got a unit.
I'm just
under
glad
attack.
I'm not going to be the one to have to polish it up afterwards.
Executing orders. Over and out.
Engineers here. Haul ass. Sir? Affirmative.
Squad Roger that.
Commander,
Executing orders. Over and out.
Alright.
Target.
engaging targets.
We don't have enough supply capacity, sir.
Get your gear. We're moving out.
Sir.
We've got a unit under attack.
Marauder, ready for orders.
Sir, additional supplies are now available. We've got a unit under attack. We don't have enough supply capacity, sir.
Squad ready, sir.
We've got a unit under attack.
Sir. Rockets,
Yes,
we're
sir.
up.
Powering up.
Live and electrified.
Marauder reporting. Marauder, ready for executing orders. Over and out.
Sir.
Marauder reporting. Moving out.
Rockets, we're up. Roger that.
Marauder reporting. Moving out. Executing.
Fleet will commence bombing runs to weaken the final hives. Stay out of the fire zone and time your advance accordingly.
Roger that.
A unit has been promoted, sir.
The TAC fighters have arrived. I hope you like the smell of roasted bugs.
We've got a unit under attack.
Executing orders.
Engaging targets.
Roger that.
Moving out.
Power up. Affirmative.
Marauder, executing orders. Over and out.
Our war support has increased, sir.
Rainbugs in the
Vale,
bag.
bravo.
Good job, troopers.
You just conquered a planet. Without leadership, any surviving bugs will be no match for us.
We owe it to the 5th. They gave their lives to pave the road for us.
You should know your former CO, Samuel Hawthorne, was among them.
Colonel Hawthorne's here?
Command gave him the option to retire. Instead, he took a demotion to keep on fighting. Couldn't sit idle while the MI was still marching into danger. Private Hawthorne was reported KIA during your ascent.
I could have saved him.
He didn't need saving. He died with his troops. A hero of the Federation. It's what he wanted.
Vale. Vale, mira, ha sido igual que tu ciclo, de rango de
The bug menace on Qualasha has been exterminated. The Federation's victory is a victory for all humankind, bringing prosperity and harmony to this troubled world. It's a system that protects, a system that works, a system that needs planets like Qualasha to keep the fight going on all fronts. Are you doing your part?